Welcome to Professional Chart Analysis. Lesson 3, Session 3, Jaimini System, Chara Karakas and Chara Dasha. The sign-based system of Sage Jaimini, variable Karakas, rashi aspects, and sign-based timing. A different lens, Jaimini versus Parashari. So far, everything you've learned has been Parashari, the system of Sage Parashara, which dominates Indian astrology. Now we're going to explore a parallel system attributed to Sage Jaimini, Parashara's student. Jaimini doesn't contradict Parashara, it offers a different lens. Where Parashari focuses on planets, grahas, their lordships, and nakshatra-based dashas, Jaimini emphasizes signs, rashis. In Jaimini, aspects are between signs, not planets. Karakas, significators, are variable, based on planetary degrees. Maini dashas run through signs, not planet periods. Maini nini saikas. Maini periods, manifestation. Padas, aruda, show worldly manifestation. Think of Parashari as asking, what are the planets doing? And Jaimini as asking, what are the signs activating? Both arrive at truth from different angles. Professional astrologers who use both systems find their predictions become remarkably precise, because each system catches what the other might miss. Chara Karakas, the 7 variable significators. This is Jaimini's signature concept. In Parashari, significators are fixed. Sun always signifies the father. Venus always signifies the spouse. In Jaimini, significators are variable. They depend on planetary degrees in your chart. Line up the 7 planets, Sun through Saturn, excluding Rahu Ketu by their degree within their respective signs. The planet with the highest degree becomes the Atmakaraka, AK, and so on. Atmakaraka, AK, highest degree. The sole significator. The most important planet in the entire chart in Jaimini represents your soul's desire and the lesson you're here to learn. Amatya Karaka, MK, 2 highest. Career and profession. Bratra Karaka, BK, 3rd highest. Siblings and close associates. Matra Karaka, MK, 4th highest. Mother and nurturing. Putra Karaka, PK, 5th highest. Children and creativity. Nata Karaka, GK, 6th highest. Obstacles, rivals, and disease. Dara Karaka, DK, lowest degree. Spouse and partnerships. The beauty of this system is that it personalizes the chart completely. Your Jupiter might be the Atmakaraka, while someone else's Jupiter is the Darakaraka, same planet, completely different karmic role. Rashi Drishti, sign-based aspects. Jaimini aspects work completely differently from Parashari aspects. Instead of planets casting aspects based on their nature, Mars aspects, 4th, 7th, 8th, entire signs, aspect other signs based on their modality, movable signs, Aries, Cancer, Libra, Capricorn, aspect all fixed signs, ex septi, the one next to them. Example, Aries aspects, Leo, Scorpio, and Aquarius, not Taurus. Fixed signs, Taurus, Leo, Scorpio, Aquarius, aspect all movable signs, except the one next to them. Example, Taurus aspects, Cancer, Libra, and Capricorn, not Aries. Dual signs, Gemini, Virgo, Sagittarius, Pisces, aspect all other dual signs. Example, Gemini aspects, Virgo, Sagittarius, and Pisces. All planets in a sign participate in that sign's aspect. If Jupiter and Venus are in Aries, they both aspect Leo, Scorpio, and Aquarius, along with everything in those signs. This creates a web of sign-based connections that Parashari aspects miss entirely. Kara Dasha, sign-based timing. Kara Dasha is Jaimini's timing system, and it runs through signs rather than planets. Each sign gets a period, and during that period, the themes of that sign and the planets within it become active. The calculation is based on the distance from each sign to its lord. For odd signs, count forward. For even signs, count backward. This gives each sign a period measured in years. How to read Chara Dasha periods. During a sign's Chara Dasha, examine which Chara Karakas are in that sign. If the AK is there, it's a deeply karmic period. Chi Chuan. What houses does the sign represent from the ascendant? From the Karakamsa. Chi Chuan. Which planets aspect that sign via rashi drishti? Chi Chuan. What is the condition of the sign's lord? Chara Dasha is particularly powerful for predicting life events because signs represent concrete environments. When the seventh house sign's Dasha is running, marriage becomes a real possibility. When the 10th house sign runs, career changes activate. The timing is often startlingly precise. Quick check. Which planet becomes the Atmakaraka in the Jaimini system? Is it A, the planet with the highest Shadbala strength, B, the Sun, since it naturally signifies the soul, C, the planet with the highest degree in its sign among Sun through Saturn, D, the Lord of the Ascendant? Take a moment to think. The answer is C, the planet with the highest degree in its sign among Sun through Saturn. The Atmakaraka is the planet with the highest degree in its sign among the 7 planets, Sun through Saturn. This makes it variable. Your AK could be any of the 7 planets, personalizing the chart completely. This is one of Jaimini's most brilliant innovations, the Karakamsa, where AK meets Navamsha. One of the most powerful Jaimini techniques is the Karakamsa, the Navamsha sign of your Atmakaraka. This sign, when treated as a lagna, reveals your soul's direction. The 12th from Karakamsa shows your path to liberation, moksha. Benefics there suggest the soul achieves spiritual progress. Malefics indicate more worldly entanglement. Kethu, in the 12th from Karakamsa, is considered one of the strongest indicators of spiritual liberation. The 10th from Karakamsa shows the work your soul is driven to do, not necessarily your day job, but your calling. Many astrologers find this more revealing than the regular D10 analysis for understanding a person's true vocation. Session 3 Recap. Jaimini astrology offers a sign-based complement to Parashari methods. Chara Karakas assigns significator roles based on planetary degrees. The highest degree planet becomes the Atmakaraka, soul significator. Rashi Drishti creates aspects between signs based on modality, movable, fixed, dual. Chara Dasha times events through sign periods. The Karakamsa, Navamsha sign of the AK, reveals the soul's direction and calling. Used alongside Parashari, Jaimini dramatically improves prediction accuracy. Loved this lesson? Visit astro.vedics.net/learn to continue the professional chart analysis. Like, subscribe, and share.